Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add a new Google account in Chrome. This is how to do it. Open Chrome. At the top right corner you're going to see your Google profile. That's your profile picture of your Google account. Just click on it, and here you have to click Manage your Google accounts. Click on it. Now from here, you have to click on the icon once again, the one below. Click on it. From here, you will see an option to add another account. Click on it. From here, you can add a new Google account. So that's how to add new Google accounts in Chrome. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.